Hello and welcome everyone to this morning's market report brought to you on behalf of CommunityFT, in which we're going to discuss the recent behaviour of some major asset classes. But before we do this, let us take a quick risk warning. So if we can all familiarise ourselves with the information in front, engage as much as is possible so that hereafter any decisions you make are of a fully informed nature. So on the cards for us today, guys, let's take a look at an economy, the well-being or strength of that economy represented by its currency, and let's also take a look down at natural gas for energy. So to help us do this in a more detailed manner, let's switch to the platform. Okay, in front of us, everyone, we're looking at the daily chart of the US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Now, the interesting thing that most people can spot quite easily is the net bullish uptrend over the last given period of time. What this represents effectively is a weakening of the Canadian dollar coupled with a strengthening of the US dollar. Now, of interest to us as traders is potential swings in this markets, because those swings are where opportunities lie. And one perhaps quite relevant or accurate, we should say, indicator, a signal of those swings is the 55-day exponential moving average, such that when the market price crosses the same, either to the up or low side, we do observe a trend breaking out in that respective direction. And that's, of course, quite apparent recently over the last given period of time within this bullish uptrend. In terms of looking for when that will stop, we could look to the stochastic oscillator, but we also see that the stochastic oscillator has been somewhat inaccurate when it signaled overbought levels at these two key levels, but the market didn't actually retrace. So what we might say then is the stochastic oscillator might be more relevant, if you will, for scalping or intraday volatility, or maybe weekly volatility, whereas the bullish volume and a gradual decrease of this, perhaps moving to the minus side, might be a signal of when that trend is reversing. If we take a look also then at natural gas, we can use this or can analyze this in a similar manner. So let me just see what we're looking at here. Can everybody notice this pattern? Does everybody see what exactly we're establishing here? So what we have in front of us effectively is the bottleneck formation. And the bottleneck formation is as follows. We say that the high prices are tapering in to a particular point, and the low prices, of course, following a similar gradient, are tapering into that point too. And the apex is a key level of interest. The reason being is it's almost said that at that particular apex there's a key decision point in the market, whether it decides to go long or go short or continue on its trajectory. But either way, some scalping opportunities do lie therein for the actual trader. So I hope this has been of help. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to get in touch. We welcome all inquiries. Look forward to hearing from you. Hope you have a good day, and we shall speak soon.